Did you know that some hackers earn six-figure salaries by breaking into systems? That too legally. Yep, you heard that right. Companies actually pay people to hack into their networks. But wait, these aren't the villain in hoodies you see in movies. These are ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers. And they are some of the most in-demand professionals in cybersecurity today. So, if you're someone who loves puzzles, enjoys tech, and wants to stop cyber criminals before they strike, then ethical hacking might just be your dream career. So, hey folks, welcome back to NIIT, where tech and growth are made simple. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of ethical hacking, what it really is, what skills you need, and how to build a career step by step. So, what is ethical hacking? Let's clear one thing up first. Hacking isn't always illegal, it all depends on intent. Ethical hackers are cybersecurity professionals who are hired to test systems, find vulnerabilities, and fix them before a malicious hacker can exploit them. Think of them like digital locksmiths. Companies hire them to break into their own systems and test how secure they really are. They use the same techniques as black hat hackers, but with permission. And instead of stealing data or planting viruses, they report their findings and help organizations strengthen their defense. From government agencies to tech startups to even financial giants, everyone needs ethical hackers today. Let's take a real-life example. 2020, a 17-year-old ethical hacker in the Netherlands discovered a major security flaw in Instagram's private post feature. Instead of exploiting it, he reported it to Facebook through their bug bounty program. Guess what? He got paid thousands of dollars and major respect from the cybersecurity community. That is the power of ethical hacking. You protect people, you challenge your mind, and yes, you can get rewarded handsomely for it too. So what does it take to become an ethical hacker? Let's talk about the essential skills you'll need to master. First up is networking fundamentals. You need to understand how data moves between devices, learn about IP addresses, firewalls, protocols, and ports. Tools like Wireshark will become your best friends. Second is operating systems, especially Linux. Most ethical hacking is done in Linux environments. You'll need to be comfortable with commands, file systems, and permission structures. Third, programming knowledge. You don't have to be a master coder, but knowing Python, JavaScript, Bash, or even C can help you understand how systems work and how they break. Fourth, cybersecurity basics. Know your malware types. Understand encryption. Learn how authentication systems can be bypassed. This is the foundation of ethical hacking. Fifth, tools of the trade. Get hands-on with tools like Nmap, Metasploit, Bubsuit, Nessus, and Kali Linux. These are the Swiss Army knives of the ethical hackers toolkit. Now, if you want to go pro, certifications are a great way to show employers that you are serious and skilled. You'll begin with the fundamentals of information security, covering key threats and countermeasures. Then dive into real-world skills like footprinting, scanning, system hacking, password cracking, malware threats, and social engineering. From there, explore advanced modules on web apps, mobile, IoT, and cloud attacks, learning how to both exploit and secure them. Use tools like Kali Linux, Nmap, Wireshark, and more. Finally, advance to Certified Ethical Hacking V13 program, packed with hands-on labs, real-world simulations, and the full penetration testing lifecycle. By the end of this journey, you won't just understand how hackers think, you'll be ready to outsmart them. Alright, so you are learning, you are studying. But how do you get real-world experience? Here are a few ways to start. First, join bug bounty programs. Platforms like HackerOne or BugCrowd let you legally test real systems. If you find a valid bug, you get paid. If not, you still get better with practice. Second, play CTFs. Capture the flag. These are cybersecurity challenges or competitions where you solve puzzles, break into systems, or even analyze data. Super fun, and they teach you a ton. Third, build your lab. Set up your own testing environment at home using virtual machines. Practice scanning, exploiting, and patching vulnerabilities. Fourth, contribute to open source security projects. Even simple contributions on GitHub can help you get noticed and gain real-world experience. Now, let's talk career. Ethical hacking is not just one job. It's a whole career track with multiple roles. Security analyst, entry-level role focused on monitoring and threat detection. Penetration tester, you simulate real attacks to test system weaknesses. Security consultant, you advise companies on how to improve cybersecurity. Red team member, you act like a real hacker in internal security simulations. Chief Information Security Officer, the big boss of the cybersecurity strategy. As you gain skills and experience, you move from tactical roles to strategic ones. And yes, the salaries grow big time along the way. One last thing, ethical hacking is not just about tools and skills. It's about mindset. You need curiosity, creativity, a love for breaking things safely. You need persistence because not every vulnerability is easy to find. And above all, you need integrity because you will be trusted with access to sensitive systems. If you have got that hacker spirit but with a strong moral compass, this field will welcome you with open arms. So let's wrap this up. Ethical hacking is real, it's legit, it's exciting, and it's a growing career that blends challenge, purpose, and serious rewards. Start small, learn the basics, build your skills step by step, and don't worry about being perfect. What matters is that you are curious and committed. If this sounds like your kind of a career, drop a comment and let us know what excites you the most about ethical hacking. And of course, if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you subscribe for more content just like this. From tech careers to digital trends, we have got you covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.